Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Giraffe Melman from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and draw 2 circles for the eyes. Next, let's add another circle inside each one. And again, let's add another circle inside on the top left. And now let's color the inside of each eye black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's finish drawing the head. Let's start underneath the left eye and let's draw a curve down and back up. Now let's draw a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and draw the nostrils with 2 curved lines. Next, let's move up and draw the left ear. On top of the eye, let's draw a curve up, and then let's bring it over to the right. Now inside, let's draw a triangle shape. Next, let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a point up and down. Then let's curve it over to the right for the top of the head. Now another curve point up and down. And then let's draw the other ear with a curve out to the right and back in. Now let's draw another triangle inside this ear. We'll start with the curve at the top. Then let's draw a curve down and back up. And now let's move underneath the ear and let's draw a curve down for the other side of the head. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the neck. From underneath the right side, let's draw a long curve down. And then from the left, let's draw a longer line down like this. Now from the bottom, let's bring it over. A V shape up and down. And then another line over and up for the next leg. Next, let's draw a curve over to the right. And let's do the same thing from the top here. Now from the top, let's curve it down and flick it out for the tail. And then let's curve it back in. Next, let's draw the back legs with 2 curves down. And then let's connect them at the bottom. Next, let's add some details inside. At the bottom of each leg, let's draw a curve. And then inside at the bottom here, let's draw a curve up and back down. Next, let's draw the spots inside. Let's start with one between the eyes. Then one under the left eye here. One on the top right. And now let's continue them down the neck. Now let's draw two more on the front of the body here. And then one on each front leg. Now one more above in the middle here. And then three down the back. And that's it for Giraffe Melman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!